Greetings, everyone. Today we will share some popular websites that are built using WordPress. And trust us, there are millions more. Before we begin, I hope you know about our website. So, the first one is Sony Music. Let's go to WP-admin so you can see. Popular artist Katy Perry. You can see it's WordPress. Even Microsoft News is using WordPress. Go to /login. And this is the WordPress interface. Bloomberg Professional is also on WordPress. Let's go to WP-admin so you can see. So it's probably protected. But if you see the URL, you can see WP-login. The popular TED blog is also made on WordPress. It's made with WordPress.com. The Flickr blog is also built on WordPress. It also seems to use WordPress.com. Yelp's blog is also using WordPress, as you can see here. The Popular Times is also using WordPress.com. TechCrunch is also made on WordPress. And Harvard is also using WordPress. So there are many popular sites with millions of views using WordPress. Just to ensure that WordPress is a great platform and probably isn't dying anytime soon. Happy building your site. Thank you very much.